Okay, so I got this car right here. I need to add a kit for these wheels, so I'm gonna make it wider with the boss surfacing. Let's go ahead and go delete or just hide this wheel. I'm gonna just hide these features also. Suppress. And from the boss surfacing menu, go to create a planar surface. Hit OK. And I'm going to rotate this. Okay. Let me just apply and uncheck the perspective view. Then let's go ahead and start filling the shape of this wheel. So in here we got something like that. Extrude, rotate, extrude, and rotate. So maybe it is going to end on here. Let's crease these vertices and see. Okay, then from the top plane, I'm gonna take this one, trying to fit the surface with each other. So you got here some little degree from the alignment tools, from the mesh tools, due to the bend. But just first select this edge. I'm gonna just apply stop at corners and select this edge. Then from the top plane, press Ctrl Z to reselect it. Then go to the mesh tools, bend. So the bending are start from here to here, and I'm going to add this little bend degree. Okay, hit apply, then I can just auto-rotate this and get it inside. Now let's move this a little way here, and this edge I'm gonna extrude it. Give it a little crease, about 15, then crease, then extrude. Go to tools or surfacing option, sub debush back, let's make it 0. So you're gonna give me a better view. Okay, so now after I just did that, I can easily see how far is it from the surface. So as you see, it just needs a little here and a little bit here. Okay, now from this edge, extrude it, but firstly I'm just going to add a crease, 55, and a little extrude here. Move this a little lower. Then I'm going to take this loop, scale a little. Now I can take it wider as I need. Something like that. got ability also to just change the shape, so I can do whatever I need. Whatever you want here, you have the ability to change it. Now let's take this edge, this one and this one, crease them, little extrude inside, and I'm gonna crease this also. So I got this nice extrude. Just crease here. You can take this body, clone it, move it at the back. You can just change the way it looks. So at the back is a little different from the front view, so it's need to be rotated like that. Let's get this one inside, and you can notice that the outer edge is rotated. So you can like just select this loop and right click, go to flatten, alignment, flatten on X. Just don't need to select this. Just need these faces. Alignment, flatten on X. So now you got straight one. For these, let's go inside. Okay, so we got this nice wide kit. Maybe I need to move this a little bit here. So if I just go ahead and hit convert, let's unhide the wheels. Need just a little edit here. So let's select this edge loop. Now you see it's simple and easy. We got here also. I can select this edge, the outer edge here. And scale it. Go ahead and convert. And I can just move a little these wheels a little. Now you got this nice wide curve. Actually the car looks pretty good. I'm gonna show you some cool trick Let me just mirror these parts. Put a mirror, select a mirror plane. Going to be a right one. And the body is going to be all of these. Now I can go easily to the bar surfacing again and do some cool crease here. So now I'm just happy with this results. We go ahead and subdivide. So it gives me some more details I can edit in. Now I just need to reinsert the edges, and I'm going to delete this. Okay, I need this one to be like that. Let's go ahead and crease this. Now if you just go and did that, now giving me more detail. For this vertice here, I just can give a little crease so it's gonna merge, or just doing a good combine between the creasing here. So I'm gonna give you this cool results. So just get the 0 stripes, you can see it looks good. And for the curvature of this side, I can easily control it, selecting these edges and then move. So I got this nice curvature now. Okay, for this one also I can do something different. Crease this. That looks nice. Take this vertice and this one also. Give it about 2 crease. So now it's just blended with the surface. Let's go ahead now and convert and see what we got. Okay, I can say that looks cooler than before. Maybe something little need to be edited here, so everything here is adjustable. Let's take this vertice, move it a little bit up. So to match the same crease at the side, in the back, let's do the crease here also. 55. Just move a little. Okay, and just. So as you see, it looks great. And the same thing at number 2 crease here. I'm seeing it's good. Make the blending are great. Here also. Okay, so you get nice now. Let's go and convert. So it's really fixed it now.